In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly use Notebooklm in A12T the standard students. Notebooklm is a study tool that helps you learn from your own materials. Instead of searching the entire internet, you give it trusted sources like class notes, textbooks, PDFs, or links. Then you ask questions, and it answers based on what you uploaded. This is especially useful in 12th standard, where you need clear revision, accurate definitions, and quick summaries for exams. First, go to Notebooklm. On the main screen, find the option that says plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook for a specific subject or chapter. A helpful tip is to keep one notebook per subject, like physics, chemistry, or English, so your sources do not get mixed and your answers stay focused. After you click Create New, a pop-up will appear that lets you add your sources. You can upload PDFs, paste URLs from trusted websites, or connect files from Google Drive. Choose materials that match your syllabus, like your textbook chapter PDF, school handouts, or a teacher-provided document. If you add too many unrelated sources at once, it can make studying feel messy, so start with one chapter or one topic and expand later. Once your sources are added, look to the right sidebar. You will see a section called Studio. Studio includes tools like Audio Overview and Video Overview. These features are useful for revision because they can help you review content in a different format, like listening to a summary while you take notes. Use these options when you want a quick recap before a test, or when you want to learn while doing light tasks like organizing your notebook. Now move to the chat box at the bottom. This is where you ask questions to query your sources. Type a specific question using clear keywords. For example, ask for a definition, a step-by-step explanation, or a comparison between two concepts. Specific questions usually produce cleaner answers that are easier to revise. When you get a helpful response, click the Save to Note icon. This pins the information to your board so you can collect important points in one place. Save key formulas, definitions, and short summaries. Then, before exams, you can review your saved notes quickly without re-asking the same questions. That covers everything you need to know.